image or its reputation, because this was the destruction of 46,000 years of sacred Aboriginal history and also human history.
The love affair with property continues.
Yes, we just had some new home loan figures. The value of home loans reached another record high in April, very much because investors are coming into the market, but owner-occupiers still taking out record numbers of home loans. So we saw overall new home loans rise 4% to a record high of $31 billion. That's seasonally adjusted, according to the Bureau of Statistics. The value of new home loan commitments for owner-occupiers reaching a record high of $23 billion over the month, although the number of loans taken out did fall back. We also saw, as I mentioned, investors coming back in the market. Investor mortgage approvals rising to $8 billion, the highest since mid-2017. We did see a bit of a drop in lending for the construction of new dwellings. That's following the end of the home builder subsidy grant in mid-April, but value of construction loans still remaining at a high level. And this is raising concerns that regulators could step in to cool the overheated housing market. Ros?
How the market's doing. It's been a great week, hasn't it?
Yes, they are also overheated. So we've seen another record high for the ASX 200 index and the All Ordinaries. Looking at the markets now, ASX 200 at 7,289, the All Ords at 7,537. So record high for the third day in a row this week, and most sectors have gained, led by banks and healthcare. Miners going down on lower gold and copper prices. Looking at the movers, the motor vehicle accessories and engineering firm ARB is higher. Rio Tinto has fallen. That's on a drop in commodity prices like gold and copper, and the reject shop trading well below COVID levels. It says the restrictions are impacting sales, so it's fallen today. In Asian markets, the Nikkei is weaker in Japan. Chinese markets a bit higher, and New Zealand has also gained. US stocks ended lower amid concerns about inflation and the Federal Reserve reining in stimulus. The Dow Jones fell slightly. The Nasdaq fell 1%. Now, one of the reasons investors are concerned about good economic news, because that's raising the inflation genie. The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits dropped below 400,000 last week. That's for the first time since the pandemic started more than a year ago. Also a surge in private sector jobs, nearly 1 million jobs added to payrolls in May. Spot gold fell 2%. It's now below 1,900 US an ounce, and oil prices are mixed. And let's have a look now at currencies. The Australian dollar has fallen back. It's buying around 76.6 US cents. And Ros, that is finance.
Thanks, Sue.